Welcome back. Today we will be looking at this TM1637 7-segment display. What's so special about it? If you have used, you know the hassle of connecting it up. Even for a small single-digit 7-segment like this, you need 8 pins. Then for this large one, you at least need 12 pins. But this one uses the TM1637 driver, which simplifies this by needing only 4 pins. Out of 2 are for powering it and uses only 2 for controlling the segments. So the connections are simple. Just connect the VCC and ground to 5V and ground and the other 2 pins to any of the GPIOs. Now to make things easier, we are using the TM1637 driver by AKJ7. I found this library very easy to use and it works well. The code is also pretty straightforward. You just include the library and defining data pin and clock pin, then initiating it. To display numbers or string, you just use the function tm.display. That's it, pretty straightforward. And if you want animations like scrolling left, right, or fade in, fade out, all these are here and they are pretty self-explanatory. For setting brightness, tm.setBrightness. If you want to enable the call and just put a decimal, that's it. We will be making some projects using this, so stay tuned and thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if you liked it and give it a thumbs up.